What is so special about the Benedictine cross po? Hello po, Father. Ako po si Clarence Agnarad from Immaculate Conception Parish, Tayuman, Manila. Ang tanong ko po, Father, is what is so special about the Benedictine cross po? Thank you po, Father.
Ang St. Benedict Cross ay isang crucifix kung saan ang sikat na St. Benedict Medal ay embedded dito. Well, it is considered as a powerful Catholic sacramental for spiritual protection, lalo-lalo na sa pagtaboy ng mga demonyo at upang magkaroon ng kapayapaan sa mga tahanan because it bears the initials of Latin prayers expressing exorcism and powerful blessing against Satan. Bilang sacramental, ito ay isang banal na tanda instituted by the Church upang maging bukas ang isang mananampalataya sa biyaya ng Diyos. It is definitely not to be taken as anting-anting or talisman or a lucky charm. Ang bisa o kapangyarihan nito comes not from the object itself, kundi sa pananampalataya mismo ng nagdadala nito. At syempre, sa pamamagitan ng mga dasal mismo ng simbahan bilang blessings nito. Paano ba natin makikilala? Well, the front of the medal depicts St. Benedict with a cross in his one hand and the monastic rule on the other. Kasama din dito ang mga simbolo ng poisoned wine in the form of a shattered cup and a raven carrying a poisoned bread. Ito ay yung mga nais sanang pakainin at painumin kay St. Benedict by one of the jealous priests during his time. So when Benedict made a sign of the cross on of the cup containing poison na ibinigay sa kanya ng paring naiingit sa kanya, bigla na lamang itong nabasag. At pinadala naman si Benedict ng poisoned loaf of bread by the same jealous priest, ito ay basta na lang tinangay ng uwak at inalayo kay Benedict. So these are considered to be miracles protecting Benedict from being poisoned from harm. And now, seen as ways of disarming hidden dangers that God also bestows upon those who truly believe in divine protection. Well, at the back of the medal, one can see a large cross containing Latin initials. On the vertical bar of the cross, ito ang ating mababasa. CSSML na initials for the Latin na Crux Sacra St. Mickey Lux. In English, it reads, May the Holy Cross be my light. Sa pahalang naman na bahagi ng krus ay ito ang nakasulat. NDSMD na initials ng Latin, Non Draco Sit Mickey Lux. O sa English ay, Let not the dragon be my guide. This is referencing to the ancient dragon in the sacred scriptures, which is a direct rebuke of Satan. Well, around the cross naman ay mababasa natin ang Latin initials VRSNSMV na ibig sabihin sa Latin ay Vade Retro Satana Nunquam Suade Mihi Vana. If translated to English, it reads, Begone, Satan, do not suggest to me thy vanities. At ang karugtong nito naman ay SMQLIBB, which reads in Latin when it is completely spelled out. Sunt mala que libas ipse venena vivas. Or in English, evil are the things you offer. You drink your own poison. Take note, itong mga kataga nito ay hindi incantation, kundi mga panalangin uttered in the midst of spiritual warfare, profoundly anchored in the belief that Christ has already overcome evil through His life, death, and resurrection. Kaya nga sa itaas nitong mga dasal, you find the Latin inscription, Pax, na ibig sabihin ay peace, which is the single word motto of the Order of St. Benedict, na siyang pinakaasam-asam ng bawat tao na siya namang nais ipagkaloob sa atin ng Diyos.